Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure system updates and Xbox Game Bar are current. This eliminates many compatibility slowdowns. Once done, open Task Manager and force close heavy background apps to free CPU and RAM. You need headroom for smooth overlay rendering. Next, disconnect unused USB devices and external drives because they can introduce latency or driver conflicts. Finally, reboot quickly to apply drivers and updates, so the game bar initializes against a clean system state, and you can measure real improvement. You now optimize Windows and game bar settings to reduce lag. First, enable game mode and set high-performance power plan so the system prioritizes your gaming workload. Then, open graphics settings and enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling if available. This lowers frame timing variance. Inside Xbox Game Bar, disable non-essential widgets and overlays so only recording or the widget you need remains active. Once these changes are in, test performance with a short recording to confirm lower CPU spikes, and you finish by tuning capture settings, lower resolution or cap to 30 FPS to cut encoding load. This directly reduces lag. Make sure capture uses your dedicated GPU and graphics settings, and test with game bar recording to verify improvement. If problems continue, reset or reinstall Xbox Game Bar from apps and features to clear corrupted config. As a key troubleshooting tip, update GPU drivers and pause antivirus scans during testing, because real-time scanning often causes intermittent hitches. Try one change at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.